大家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host and native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word or phrase that you can start using right away. Today's word is 开. It usually means to open, but depending on what comes after it, it can also mean drive, begin, or even appear in some fun modern expressions. Let's see how native speakers use it. Today's character is 开. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 开. Again, 开. One more time. 开. Now, let's look at the tone. 开 uses the first tone. Keep your voice high and level. Listen again. 开. Now, let's build your Mandarin. Once you know the word 开, you can understand many useful everyday expressions. 开门, open the door. 开会, have a meeting. 开车, drive a car. Imagine your friend asks, 你会开车吗? 你会开车吗? Can you drive? You answer 会. I can. Here, 开车 means to drive. Even though 开 usually means to open, in this expression, it means to drive. You'll hear 开车 every day in Mandarin. Here's a modern one you'll hear online and in everyday conversations. 开挂. At first, it looks like 开 plus 挂. You already know 开 means to open, to turn on, or to activate. In this expression, 挂 is actually short for 外挂, which means a plug-in or cheat program used in video games. So 开挂 literally means turn on the cheat plug-in. Today, native speakers use 开挂 jokingly whenever someone is unbelievably good at something. Imagine your friend gets perfect score on every exam, wins every game, and somehow still has time to learn 3 different languages. You might laugh and say, 你是不是开挂了? 你是不是开挂了? Are you using cheat codes? In other words, how are you so good at everything? It's a fun compliment you'll often hear among friends. And that's today's daily Mandarin word. 开. Let's practice together 3 times. 开. 好，大家下次见咯。See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.